Is it time to buy or sell DIDY Global SADR stock? In this video, we are diving deep into DIDY Global SADR. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of August, 2025, our system has ranked DIDY Global SADR as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 6.53. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 11.39% since we first listed DIDY Global SADR as a buy candidate 12 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.95% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are expected within this trend. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 18.08% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return falling between 5.86% and 33.13%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of about 15.42%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 25.86% to positive 24.02% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price within a range of $4.28 to $7.16. Our latest daily update for DIDY Global SADR includes the headline: DIDY Global Inc SADR stock price ended at $5.77 on Tuesday, after gaining 0.523%. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025, the DIDY Global Inc SADR stock price increased by 0.523%, rising from $5.74 to $5.77. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It'll be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 3.92%, moving from a low of $5.61 to a high of $5.83. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, showing an overall rise of 9.28% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also saw a boost on the last day, alongside the price increase, which is a positive technical indicator, with 826,000 more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 2 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $13.61 million over the past 52 weeks. The highest price of the stock was $6.24, while the lowest price reached 32 cents. Currently, the price stands 7.53%, or 470 cents, below the 52-week high of $6.24, which remains the all-time high for the stock. DIDIY is currently navigating a blend of operational and legal developments that could influence the stock in the near term and shape returns for the years ahead. In Brazil, Didi's local unit 99 has initiated legal action against rival Kita for alleged trademark infringement and unfair competition. This situation may introduce short-term volatility, legal expenses, and localized reputational risks, while also aiming to protect market share in a crucial overseas market. Recent commercial news includes a letter of intent to pilot U-Power UNX electric vehicles UTADA battery swap vehicles with Didi Mobility in Mexico. This initiative supports international growth and could potentially reduce unit economics if the program scales effectively. On the financial side, revenue momentum remains strong. First quarter revenue for the year 2025 has increased by approximately 8 to 9% compared to the previous year, following a robust finish to 2024. The company has also announced share repurchases and is considering fundraising for its autonomous driving unit. In the short term, anticipate fluctuations driven by headlines related to legal matters, pilot programs, and funding activities. Over the long term, Factors such as international expansion, improved monetization, advancements in autonomous technology, and buybacks are likely to be beneficial for earnings and valuation, provided that execution remains strong and regulatory risks are kept under control. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned DIDIY a buy grade with an initiate action. On Monday, the 7th of October, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned DIDIY an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 24th of September, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned DIDI an outperform grade with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned Didi Global SADR stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Didi Global SADR. Today, the chart shows mostly positive signals. Didi Global Inc SADR stock exhibits buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected at $5.59 and $5.39. Should the price fall below either of these levels, it would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 15.86%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots pointed to a buy signal 13 days ago. Bollinger suggested a buy signal 25 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average generated a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell opportunity 57 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 53 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Didi Global/Adder. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $4.92 and $4.90. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline towards the next support level. In this instance, Didi Global Inc/Adder finds support just below today's level at $4.92. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $4.90 and $4.87. This stock exhibits average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock moved 220 cents between its high and low, or 3.92%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 3.78%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Didi Global American Depository Receipts, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 21st of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 0.436. It is wise to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Didi Global SADR. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Didi Global SADR is at $5.80. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Didi Global SADR encounters its first support level at $4.92. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.56, reflecting a decline of 3.66%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom identified 12 days ago. Is Didi Global SADR stock a good buy? Didi Global Inc SADR presents several positive indicators and is currently experiencing a robust upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we view it as a favorable option at these present levels, anticipating further gains in the upcoming 3 months. Upon examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 20th of August, we predict that Didi Global SADR will open lower by approximately 333 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $5.74. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.